Now when it's quick above 100 a beat, the heart's in a race, can't take that heat. SVT's narrow, fast and neat. P waves hidden, can't compete. Atrial flutter with sawtooth shine. Marching F waves in a perfect line. Afib though, chaos reigns. No clear P, irregular trains. And V-tac on mercy me. Wide and wild emergency. If there's no pulse, don't just stare. Shock that heart with urgent care. Or read that line, hear that song. The rhythm's telling right from wrong. Every beat's a tale divine in the story of the heart's design. Read that line, hear that song. Read that line, or read that line. Below 60 the rhythm's slow. Could be sinus Brady, take it low. Or maybe heart blocks in the show. Let's break it down before you go. First degree, just longer delay. PR stretch but leads the way. Mobit's 1, it lengthens more. Drops a beat, then back to score. Mobit's 2, sudden fall. Drop QRS, no warning at all. Third degree, oh what a fight. Atria dance, left ventricles right. Read that line, hear that song. The rhythm's telling what went wrong. Fast or flat, slow or fine. The truth is in that ECG line. Sinus rhythm, clean and fine. Every P's before its QRS line. Regular marching, 60 to 100. Steady as a cowboy's heart unshuttered. Read that line, stand tall and proud. The heart's small voice speaks clear and loud. From hills to wars, through every sign we live and learn. The rhythm of the line, read that line, hear that song.